Hello. In this video we're going to be going over how to simplify complex fractions. I have two examples right here. Let's go ahead and start with the first one. So it says 3m over 7 divided by n over 14m. Now, how exactly do I solve this? Well, what I can do is I can actually take the denominator. Because it is a fraction, I can take the reciprocal of it, which means I'll just flip it. I'll bring what's in the denominator to the top and what's in the numerator to the bottom. And I'm going to multiply that by the numerator of the original problem. So here, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to leave the numerator the same. I'm not touching the numerator. But I'm going to flip the denominator of the denominator, and I'm going to multiply it by the numerator. So now I have a much easier problem, or it looks a lot better. And now all I have to do is multiply across. So 3 times 14 is 42, and then m times m is m squared, over 7 times n is just 7n. And actually this simplifies. You can take a minute to write this down. And this simplifies to just 6m squared over n. And that's my answer. Let's go ahead and look at the other problem I have. b over 3 plus 1 divided by 2/3. Now, how do I do this again? Well, the way I can do this is, remember, I just have to flip this denominator, this fraction in the denominator, and then multiply it by the numerator. So, I take b over 3 and I leave that the same. I really don't touch it. But I'm going to multiply now by 3 over 2. Now what this is going to do is, if you notice, there's a 3 here and there's a 3 here. So I'm going to distribute that in here. So now I'm going to get b plus 3, and I'm going to divide everything by 2. And that's my answer.